G'day everyone, Shane here from Fanmaster Australia. If you work in welding, soldering, grinding, or just about any job that creates airborne nasties, this one's for you. Today we're talking about a bit of an unsung hero in workplace safety, industrial fume arms. They might not look like much, but trust me, they do a huge job when it comes to protecting your health and keeping your workspace clean. So, what is a fume arm? A fume arm is a flexible, extendable extraction system that captures airborne contaminants right at the source, before they have a chance to spread through your workspace. It's basically like giving your exhaust system a long, adjustable arm that goes exactly where you need it. Here's why fume arms are a game changer. Targeted source capture equals better protection. Instead of relying on general ventilation to clean the air, a fume arm grabs the fumes immediately right at the source. That means less exposure, less mess, and a safer work environment. They're highly flexible and adjustable, whether you're working at a bench, moving around a vehicle, or changing positions on a weld job. Fume arms follow you. They can be mounted on walls, ceilings, or mobile bases to suit whatever setup you've got. They protect workers and equipment. Fumes and dust don't just affect your lungs, they also damage equipment over time. Using a fume arm helps extend the life of tools, electronics, and even the building itself by controlling corrosive particles. So who needs a fume arm? If you're in welding workshops, soldering or electronics manufacturing, automotive repair or spray booths, metalworking or grinding setups, chemical labs or dust-heavy environments, then a fume extraction arm isn't just a nice to have, it's essential. And here's the bonus. Fume arms also help you keep compliant with Australian workplace health and safety standards. Plus, they improve indoor air quality, which means your team stays more comfortable, more focused, and more productive. So, if you're tired of breathing in fumes and you want a cleaner, safer, more efficient workspace, invest in a quality fume arm. Still not sure what's right for your setup? Give us a call on 1300 900 345 or head over to fanmaster.com.au. And don't forget, subscribe to our channel for more tips, tricks, and no-nonsense advice on heating, cooling, and ventilation. Because at Fanmaster, we're more than fans. We're the experts in cooling, heating, and ventilation.